Hello friends. Installing or uninstalling any specific software is a normal and easy process. But Tally is very different from other software. It still inherits the properties of DOS-based earlier versions of Tally. So, installing and uninstalling Tally Prime is a bit confusing. Let us learn the process of uninstalling Tally Prime in this video. Welcome to my channel Tally Sample Assignments and Videos. This channel is especially prepared for learning Tally assignments, practical works, and tips and tricks. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Please note, uninstalling Tally will not affect your data in any way. Your data will be safe in the Tally data directory. If Tally Prime is still running, then close it and then go to Start menu, click on Settings and Apps. In the next window, select Installed Apps and find the Tally Prime row. In Tally Prime row, you will see three dots. Click on it and you will find Modify and Uninstall button. Click on Uninstall button to move forward. In the Uninstalling dialog box, click on Yes to go forward. Uninstalling will begin within seconds and it will not take too much to finish the uninstallation. In the next screen, Tally Prime Setup Manager will ask you to view the Tally Prime application path, or here we can go forward by clicking on No. This is very confusing dialog box because you cannot find OK, cancel or any other button. To close Setup Manager, we have to click on Close button. When we click on Close button, another dialog box will appear, Quit Setup Manager. Here we will press button Yes. So this is the complete confusing process of uninstalling Tally Prime. Now let us see the process in next video. Click on Start and Apps and then Installed Apps. Find Tally Prime here. Click on three dots. Click on Uninstall. Here again say Uninstall. Now click on Yes. Uninstall will finish. Now say No and click on Close button. Say Yes to Quit Setup Manager. This is the complete process. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment for more and more videos. Thank you again.